This is a video tutorial on how to use the Proquest research databases. Proquest is a set of 4 research databases. E Library, which is a general database, includes magazines, newspapers, and other digital media in all subjects. Ebooks has full text of published titles available in a digital format. SIRS Issues Researchers Database contains research material about social issues. And Culturegrams focuses on social, cultural, and political information on countries, including the United States. All require a login and password, which are listed here. With this information, you can access these databases on any device that can access the internet. Once logged in to Ebook Central, you can search by subject, title, or author. Each book can be read online, or they can be downloaded to be read offline. You also have the option of just reading certain chapters or downloading certain chapters. This is very useful when doing a research paper because you might only need to read certain sections of a book. Each book gives you the APA and MLA citation. If you click Cite Book, and up here you can change what type of format that you need for your research paper. You can then copy and paste this into your document, and it also allows you to export your citation to these 2 citation makers. Proquest E Library, the search is done much the same way. The top here has these Proquest guided research topics. So if you click on the topic, it will give you an entire overview of that subject that you can then click on for specific articles. And there are also pictures, and in some cases there might even be videos. Below the guided research topics are the individual articles. You can find an article that you're interested in. From here, it gives you the full text of the article. Sometimes it will give you a PDF of the article. You can see details, including other subjects that you can search for more results. You can save it as a PDF. You can email it or print it. There are other options, including sending it to your Google Drive, or you can click Cite Your Source, where you can choose how you want your citation to be. We use MLA, the 8th edition most of the time. And from here, you can copy and paste this into your Works Cited page, or you can export it to a citation maker. Results are filtered for you by type of article. So you have scholarly journals, there are books, there are audios and videos, newspapers, and magazines. You also could even filter, if you'd like, by publication date. The Proquest Serves Issue Researcher. It has topics already listed for you here. So I select police brutality. It will give me a summary of this particular topic. And then it gives me 2 different viewpoints of each of these topics. Critical questions. These can help you in deciding maybe what your essential question you're going to answer in your research paper. And there's also a timeline for each of these topics. I can click this leading issues button and I can select a general topic. And there are other issues that are listed here that you can click on for more information. You can save to your Google Drive. You can also cite your source here. You can print or email. You really should be clicking on specific articles and citing these. So this is just a starting point and a general overview and a listing of articles and newspapers and information about each topic. And from here, this is where you would click and find specific articles, and this is what you would then cite, print, or email. And the full text of the article is listed right here. If you have any questions about accessing or using any of these resources, be sure to contact your school librarian.